what do I do with my compost? What do I do with all the cow manure, the chicken manure? How do I keep that cleaned out of here so I'm not getting overrun on this small 0.64 acres of land? So I make a pile in the cow pasture, and once it gets so big, I wheelbarrow it over here to the ladies and gentlemen, and they will scratch and fluff this stuff up to the point, and it will dry out all summer long, and it will decompose. And once it's decomposed, typically in the fall, I will come through and I will wheelbarrow it again over to my garden beds. And from there, it sits all winter long, continuing to degrade, and by spring of the next year, it is pretty much soil, fertilized soil.